It was, they're just not, I don't know, just what they treat them poorly. A lot of it is scheduling and that is just not great. Compassion and stuff that, which I thought that Starbucks was the place to have. But,
All right, so I didn't want to do this, but unfortunately I have to expose this company because what happens is the coffee, this is the second machine. It's a $700 coffee machine and the coffee just doesn't grind. Like it's the same problem that I've had with the first one. After a few weeks, then they sent me the second one, this one, and after not even a week, it broke again. So what happens is the coffee doesn't get grinded in here and it just gets a bunch of ungrinded coffee right in here, and there's no coffee that's coming in the cup. So of course you cannot make any cup of coffee because there's no grinded coffee in the cup. So unfortunately their customer service, it's really useless because they don't want to deal with me. They don't want to send another machine or give me a refund because it's actually their problem. I'm not paying $700 for a coffee machine and not being able to use it after a week. So unfortunately, they need to get exposed because this is just not the way to do business. Again, this is a $700 coffee machine that doesn't grind the coffee, so you have to fix your stuff.